Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Floyd mattress. Now you may be familiar with Floyd. They're based out of Detroit, Michigan, and they're best known for their modular bed frame. It's one that you can contract and expand and set up and take down very easily. So I'm really excited to see what they've done with their new hybrid mattress design. So let's take a look. In addition to the mattress, we also got the Floyd Bed Frame. This is the ideal solution for people that are in tight spaces or tend to move a lot because it's super easy to set up and take down, no tools required. It arrives in just a few boxes, and when you open them up, you'll find that there's just a handful of pieces to put together. And when you look at the instruction manual, there's only 4 steps to complete setup. Assembling the bed is fairly straightforward. There's metal connectors which attach to the slats. Underneath that, there's a ratchet system where you basically tie all those metal pieces together to hold it in place. In fact, I kind of felt like a little mechanic under there, tightening everything up. Finally, you just add that headboard and slide it into place. Setting up the bed was a unique experience. It took a little while to get the ratchet system down, but it was a much easier process than even IKEA, which still requires tools. And I could see after a while, after setting this up, taking it down, I'm going to only get better at it, and it's going to be a much simpler process. We received the Floyd mattress at the same time as the bed frame, and it arrived in a matching box. When you open the box up, you'll find that it's roll packed, so you just want to dump it onto the floor and then put it onto your mattress. Now when you cut it open, it is going to spring to life because it is a hybrid. There's coils in there, so it will pop open. You cut out the packaging and it should be pretty much inflated to full form. What I really appreciate is that Floyd had the foresight to put these little grippy pads on the bottom of the mattress, because obviously the frame itself is really smooth, so sometimes a mattress could just slide around on top. These little grippers really make sure that it's all held in place. When I laid the mattress out, what really struck me is the contrast in colors all added up to a very sleek and modern look. The cover of this mattress is really nice. It's a Tencel fabric. Now Tencel is going to be softer than silk and more breathable than cotton. Added to that, it's a very sustainable material. Underneath this cover, you'll find a layer of foam. Now this foam is infused with 2 great materials, copper and graphite. Starting with graphite, graphite is just a great material to wick away heat and keep you cool. Same thing with copper. Copper has a cooling element, but beyond that, it also is antimicrobial. It'll help keep the mattress clean. Underneath the foam layer, you'll find over 1,000 pocket coils. This is a zone coil system, which means it's going to balance your body out across the mattress, provide support where you need it, like your hips, and pressure relief where you need it the most, such as your shoulders. Now, what really struck me about the overall construction of this mattress is it is kind of deceivingly simple in that it's just a layer of springs and a layer of foam, but how they made that foam transition with the coils, it was pretty much seamless, and I just really think they knocked it out of the park. The Floyd mattress has a medium firmness feel, although I would say on the medium spectrum, it's a little bit soft. So in that regard, I would recommend it ideally for side and back sleepers. Stomach sleepers are going to want to go with something a bit more firm. For breathability, it's true to its word. All these materials add up to a very breathable mattress. It's the Tencel, the copper and graphite infused foam, and of course the coil system. So you're not going to be tossing and turning, waking up hot in this mattress. In terms of motion transfer, there will be some. It is a coil system, but the coils do have a lot of give to them. So as you move throughout the night, you sink into that mattress and it'll slowly recover and it'll mitigate a lot of the motion transfer. Overall, I was really impressed with how seamlessly they were able to integrate the foam and the coil system, so you really don't feel either. You don't feel like you're hitting the coil system, and you don't feel like you're sleeping on a piece of foam either. Overall, I've been very impressed with the Floyd mattress. When we unzipped it, it was just a clean looking mattress on the inside as well. It was clean cut foam, it was glued very well together, there's no loose threads. And it just feels great. And this is all coming from a company that really just isn't even in the mattress business. They started out in the furniture business. So that just says even more about Floyd. You know, it's a clean, modern looking aesthetic, both the bed and the mattress. And I just can't say enough about how impressed I am. So Head on over to sleepsherpa.com for the full review and best discount codes.